Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. If you're an interior designer or an architect or you're designing your home yourself, the major issue is always you have amazing ideas, but who will convert those ideas to reality? These days it's very easy. You go to AI, any AI app like Gemini or Grok or ChatGPT, and you ask the app to make a beautiful room setup, and it'll give you a beautiful setup. But how to make that setup in real life? That is a question, and here arson comes in play, and we make what you want. Anything and everything that is possible, we try and do that. Something like this is visible right here. A client gave a picture and he has some dimensions, and we have converted that thing to a real picture here, real unit here, and this is what we have. I'll give you the dimensions also. This is in teak wood. All the carving area that you see is in teak wood. It's a cabinet here, and the design pattern and everything is as selected by the client. The size is 5 feet left to right, from out to out 5 feet. It's a thick pillar, heavy solid pillar, solid wood. This is a complete solid wood pillar from here to this part, total part here. And the width of this pillar is 9 inches square, quite thick pillar. And the work, you can see the figures here, the lion faces here, the carving and the design part, everything is hand carved, made by people, artisans, master artisans, I call them, because something like this, even the carpenters cannot even think about, and the artisans convert the wood to such beautiful pieces, and we are delivering these across the globe. Front to back, this is 24 inches, the cabinet part, and the height is 6.5 feet. The back design with a cabinet, as you can see here, we have a bhog tray, a big tray, and here two drawers, one and two, and a cabinet here. If you go to our website, you will find so many designs, so much work. Generally what happens is, if you go to a furniture person or a showroom or someone, a vendor kind of person, you see the same designs, 10, 20, 30 maximum designs, and they keep repeating the same and the same colors and everything, and they give it to the client and then make it same and deliver to other client. Here at Aarsun, we have a huge catalog, and it is possible because every client has got different requirement, and we work on that thing. And that is why I call a furniture choice wala furniture. Choice means everything: size, design, the color part. You see a light golden touch here in a few parts, and this is what the client wanted. Just these minor parts, we confirm from the client what part you want the gold color to be, and he told us, and we have done this. So everything is as per client's choice, and this is what we are doing for global clients, not just for India. 57 countries we have delivered to, and everything is made to order. This is the most wonderful part, and factory price, because we are making it, you are receiving it, there's no trade or commission agent in the middle, so always the best price with home delivery. Architects, interior designers, and home decorators, and even the people who are designing their own homes mostly have this issue. You can create an amazing picture on system, on software, on the phone, but getting it in reality is something that is very difficult. Even a small piece, if looking to get crafted or created, you find it really hard to find the right people. But at Arson, we are doing it for global clients. And the best part, I'll tell you, not just the work, not just the craftsmanship, it's the work that we are giving to people just because you are giving us orders. So many people are involved in creating one unit: the carpenter, the carving people who convert the wood, the person who draws it on a paper, then the people who finally fit it, and the polished guys who polish the stuff. This beautiful color, light walnut, as you see, and even the texture of the wood is clearly visible here. And then the packing people, the transport people, and the accountant who makes the bill, and the sales people who are involved earlier with you. So many people make one order for you, and that is the best part. You're not just giving order, you're giving work to a lot of people. Arson is an international brand name, and all over India people know us because such amazing things we are making, such beautiful things we are making and delivering everywhere. Most of the time, people, if people go to those showrooms, those people with pictures of Arson, and that is why everyone knows what Arson is and who we are. If you are looking for something different, something amazing, something of your choice, you can visit our website arsunwoods.com, or check the testimonial section of our website, where you see so many pictures, and these all pictures are from across the globe, not just India. And these are also the ideas that a lot of people, designers, are using, in fact, because these are real pictures from clients home. So this gives you the theme, that what is the background, which color is looking how in that particular setup. So that gives you a real good idea. So select what you like, let us know what you want. We'll make it at factory price and deliver to your home in India or out of India, where you're looking at. And the brand name of Arson, the quality of Arson. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.